Do you want to dress up your TCG binders and deck boxes? Well, that's what we're doing today. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So I've got a different project this week. I am dressing up some TCG binders and deck boxes. So I have these iron-on sheets. These are made by Avery, and these are the dark transfer sheets. And I have just printed out some labels and logos that I'm going to cut out and iron onto my deck boxes. So let's get started with the cutout process on this, and we'll be back in just a sec to show you how they're put on. Now the logos, I was able to find high definition photos just by doing a Google search, but for the names that I'm using for deck boxes, I designed those on a text editor website that I'll leave a link for in the description below. To cut these out, I'm going to use an X-Acto knife with a sharp X-Acto blade, a brand new one, and I'll just be working directly on my cutting mat for this. Now I couldn't decide what size I wanted to use for the deck boxes. I scaled the logos to about 1 inch tall, but I printed the deck box names at 2 different sizes, and I wound up using the larger of the 2. All of the binders and deck boxes that I'll be putting these on are made by Ultimate Guards. The binders being the ZipFolio and the deck boxes being the sidewinder. While your iron preheats, start by taking the X-Acto knife and separating the backing paper from the iron-on sheet. This is not easy to do, and you want to make sure to be really careful and not damage your iron-on sheet while you're doing it. Once you get everything lined up and you put the protective sheet over top of your iron-on, call in that second set of hands to help you get this process done. Each iron-on only takes about 20 or 30 seconds with the iron set on cotton. You want to make sure and not leave it too long, or you can actually melt this material. Having that second person made this process a whole lot easier, so a special shout out to my mother for coming over from her house to help me do this. I love how something simple like this can take an otherwise plain deck box or card binder and really dress it up and make it look snazzy. If you currently collect trading cards or have a childhood collection that you want to get a great storage solution for, this is a nice option that gives a very professional look. Towards the end of this process, we realized that these iron-on sheets weren't sticking as well as we wanted them to. It took us a while to figure out why, but we eventually realized that my iron wasn't getting as hot as it was supposed to. My iron actually has an auto shut-off feature where if it's left standing upright, it will shut off to keep you from having a house fire. Once we realized the issue with the iron, we were able to unplug it, plug it back in, and let it get back up to temperature. This instantly solved the issues that we were having with the iron-on sheets, and we were able to go back over top of some of the ones that weren't bonding well and get them fully melted onto the binders and deck boxes. With the iron working correctly, we've now got everything bonded 100%. This is an awesome way to take a card collection and really dress it up for presentation or play. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.